Welcome to another Aquafin product demo. This segment features Aquafin's MORTAR-V OCI. MORTAR-V OCI is a high-strength, vertical and overhead concrete repair mortar. It is a single-component powder that is fiber-reinforced and polymer-modified for enhanced dimensional stability and bonding characteristics. After mixing with water, MORTAR-V OCI can be hand-applied or machine sprayed using a peristolic or hopper air-assisted style mortar sprayer in lifts upwards of 2 to 4 inches thick without forming. It has excellent workability that allows for easy shaving after reaching initial set to achieve a superior finish. MORTAR-V OCI has approximately 10 to 12 minutes of working time and reaches compressive strengths up to 4,500 psi in 28 days, and is enhanced with a migrating corrosion inhibitor that helps protect localized and adjacent reinforcing steel. Typical applications include beams, columns, overhead slabs, walls, and ornate concrete structures. Selecting the right product mix is the key to success when addressing concrete repairs. Contact Aquafin today, and our knowledgeable technical team will help evaluate your situation and provide product selection recommendations.